What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mint and we're back in with another video. So going to go over a quick market update and then also talk about an NFT project I am really bullish on. Believe it's a future blue chip contender, and if you're able to get it at mint, you're definitely going to be in profit. But first, definitely want to touch on the general cryptocurrency market. So everything's really down right now. As you can see, we're down 7.2%, down to 2.59 trillion. We were just almost at 3 trillion not too long ago. So this is actually a very large decrease. And the theory right now is as long as Ethereum is going down and sideways, NFT goes up. But you're not considering that if Ethereum crashes altogether, as well as the entire cryptocurrency marketplace, do we really know NFTs will actually go up? Because the reason for this recent cryptocurrency correction is not due to anything crypto related, but actually because of the recent virus that has been going around for the past couple years. A new mutant variation has been found, and this caused mass panic sell-off in both the cryptocurrency and traditional stock markets. And this could potentially only go up and escalate as more people are selling off their stocks in crypto to have liquid capital, just so in the case of a new emergency that they're going to be better well off. This will detrimentally affect cryptocurrencies and NFTs. If Ethereum continues to go down, then it's not necessarily a guarantee that NFTs will continue to go up. This is more of a panic sell-off where everyone's just selling what they have, taking money out of even riskier assets such as NFTs and holding capital. This is not the same as Ethereum going down or sideways and NFTs going up, because at this point, NFTs can definitely be considered one of the riskiest asset classes, and during panic sell-offs, those will get hit hard. So definitely keep an eye out on Ethereum, keep an eye out on the news, and see what's going to happen in the next couple of days. And based off of that decision, definitely make your decision if you want to continue trading NFTs or wait on the sidelines right now. If we hop over to Dune Analytics on just the daily volume, on the 26th, it was Thanksgiving. So for United States individuals, a lot of people weren't trading, a lot of people weren't working, a lot of people weren't trying to actually mess with NFTs or crypto in general. But you can see the volume dropped even more since yesterday, and this I believe is because of the news of the mutated virus that has just been released. And as all the markets sell off, NFTs are no different. So that's something to take into consideration and definitely look out for. But I did find one project that I absolutely fell in love with, and I truly believe it is another future blue chip contender. If this project pans out the way people are expecting, it will offer great returns on your investment. This project is none other than the Littles. So here is the Twitter account. You can see they're sitting at 27,000 followers. Their pre-sale release had already occurred. Their live mint date is tonight, Friday, November 26th at 6 p.m. PST or 9 p.m. Eastern time. And here you can see the general rules. They're going to have 0.125 Ethereum mint price. You can get 2 per transaction for wallets, and then no serious grown-ups. And then here we can go over to their website that gives a better overview of the project. But here you can just see the artwork, pixelated, cute little teddy bears. Looking from this website here, they're just going to give you a little overview of the project itself. They have 10,000 dreamers, explorers, and mischief makers that are going to be on an adventure with no serious grown-ups. The biggest thing about this project is that it's gathered so much attention, but they're very secretive. They don't have an open Discord right now. The team is not fully doxed, and it's really semi-doxed/anon, and they don't have a roadmap. Because if you continue going down here, this is the roadmap section, and their top secret plans pretty much say, I'm not going to tell you what we plan on doing. They're saying that everyone promising certain utilities, certain tokens, and certain updates that may not be made is causing a problem in the NFT space. So they just want to give off the vibe that this is what we are. We're all about having big adventures, and then that they can promise that we'll have a fun time exploring the brave new world of Web3 together. So from looks of it off the bat, I'm looking at a community-based project that will incorporate maybe a metaverse aspect or have some sort of community game or atmosphere like Subducks where you can join and you get a membership card. The opportunities are endless, but really they're here just telling you that they don't have any plans to tell us exactly what they plan on doing, but to have faith in them. And if we vibe with their mantra or manifesto, then definitely take them into consideration, because they do have something here called their manifesto. And if you click it, it takes you over to a Medium article, and it just talks about who the Littles are, what they're all about, and what you can expect from them as far as the vibe that they're trying to give off. But really, it's here that number one rule is never be boring. Serious grown-ups bring fun everywhere they go. They've lost touch with their inner child and have forgotten how to have fun. So, I'm looking at this project as a completely 180 from the current trend of the NFT market, and maybe they will actually accomplish something that all of us wish had been done before, but no one knew what the actual idea idea was. So definitely an interesting project, and it is kind of a gamble because their mint price is coming in at 0.125, which is fairly expensive for a new mint. But if we go over to the OpenSea for this account, the pre-sale ended yesterday and they're already sitting at 0.6 Ethereum pre-reveal. So I'm actually an individual that tries to buy pre-reveal and then selling it once it's revealed, because usually after a reveal the price crashes a little bit. But with how much hype has gone behind this project, that might not occur. This could be another Doodle situation playing out where Doodles went up pre-reveal and then skyrocketed post-reveal. Here, back to their website, they do have an FAQ. They talk about what they're about, when's the mint, how much, how many you can mint, just general details. And then they have their team laid out here. But once again, this is not necessarily a docs team in my eye. There's no socials connecting them. There's no real names. This is just who they are. But having such a large team, it shows that they have invested quite a bit of time into this project. And if you scroll down even further, they have partnered with Cyberkongs, Subducks, and Kaiju Kings. This is probably the biggest part of their site that really stood out to me, is that these three projects all have huge communities, have done great things in the NFT space, and if they are actually validated by these projects, this project is probably going to moon too. Cyberkongs set the standard for utility tokens, and their Genesis Kongs are over like 100 ETH. Subducks has one of the greatest communities I've ever seen, and then it's backed by very influential individuals and artists. And then Kaiju Kings, huge community behind them as well. They're a utility token project just like Cyberkongs. So altogether, if they're partnering up with the Littles, I don't see this project being a rug pull in any way. I see it as kind of a cross collaboration with other big name projects, and that as they kind of work through, release their roadmap, big things are going to be coming in the horizon. So here, pretty much, you can give them a follow on Twitter. I'll link all the socials below in the description. They don't have a Discord right now, so not much more information could be gathered, but it's really interesting to see what they'll do. Because of the current state of the cryptocurrency, stock market, and the general overall world economy, I am a little weary of future mints and projects, but this is one that I'm definitely going to try minting. I don't think I'll get it because I'm not whitelisted, and there's so many people eyeing this project tonight, but I will give it an attempt, and I will try buying it on the secondary, and I'll hold it for the long term. I definitely recommend everyone to do their own research and check out what this project has to offer. That's all I had for the video today, guys. I definitely recommend you all subscribe, hit that bell notification, trying to get the most up-to-date information as soon as possible, as well as giving me a follow on Twitter at Mint Hustle. I do call out a lot of my plays here first, just with the Littles. I mentioned this yesterday, and I give out whitelist opportunities and just general banter. Most likely, if I'm gonna make a YouTube video on it, I'll probably tweet something prior. But once again, thanks again for the support, guys, and I'll catch you guys next time.